to download and install the Femex application on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. You can download the Femex app safely from the official store, that is the Google Play Store or your App Store. Just open up the apps and then in the search bar type in PHEMEX in the search bar and then look for this application from Leading Magic Limited. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, tap on the open button to open the app on your device. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this home screen. From here, you can log into your existing account or tap on the create account button and create a new account for Femex. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.